Alright, today we're playing a game called Pipe Match. Not sure what this is, so I guess we'll start small and work our way up. I will be pleased if this timer goes up and not down. So what am I doing? Am I trying to make one of these shapes? Okay, so you rotate parts. And that timer does go up. Okay. Then we can go down. And I'm not entirely sure if I'm supposed to make stuff match or what. Like, am I like what's the objective here? I see, so I'm just connecting everything. I don't need to make a certain pattern or anything. Okay. Are there only the 3 levels? Okay. Also don't mind the date on the bottom. This is pre-recorded. Isn't that crazy? That unlocks many possibilities. So do they all need to be connected, or do we just need them to be friends or something? Like, what is the haps? I'm not entirely sure. Okay, and then stuff will happen, and then people will be like, whoa, that's some crazy stuff. Right, this is interesting. Let's restart this one. I think that would be maybe wise-ish. Okay, then we can go down there, rotate that like that. Then that's connected, but there are gaps. I don't know if gaps are an issue. I'm gonna be honest, I don't completely understand the goal here. I guess we'll just go with it. Go with what we've got, sort of dealio. Okay. Then there's these 2 that are missing out, quite frankly. That will not be tolerated. It will be, because I can't figure out what to do with it. Or maybe I do fancy business. Okay, and then we can go like that. Then that, and then that. I'm not worried about the time too much. That does not concern me. Okay. Then we can go across that. Got a large area. Everything is connected. So we need to make sure that there's no gaps. Is that what's going on? Because if that is the case, well, then that's inconvenient. At least a little inconvenient, right? Not just me going cuckoo bananas. And then Huh? What do I do with straight lines? Oh, there we go. So this is all fine, so long as stuff connects. So I guess what we'll do is we'll try and light everything up and solve it from there. Maybe. Because if everything's lit up, that's like half the puzzle. I think. It's kind of hard to tell, if I'm being completely honest. But that's fine. Ah. That piece is going to be an issue, I think. Okay, we can do some straight lines. Do that, I guess. Oh, this is crazy. That didn't sound very genuine, did it? Okay. Right, let's move on up this way and then come back to that slightly confusing bit. Huzzah. I don't know what to do with that bit, so we'll leave it for now and come back to it. Okay. And we've got other bits and pieces all over the place. I don't know what's considered okay and what's not for this sort of puzzly business. I'm confused. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, we're just connecting stuff and working out from that, I think, is our, and that's our only strat so far, but hopefully it's a functional strategy that leads us somewhere. Maybe. So there only seems to be 3 levels. I could be wrong. But yeah, it's a little confusing at this point. Okay. And then we can plug that into there, that into there, that into there. We're missing a few things, but we're getting there. So that's fine for the time being. Okay, so we're only missing a couple of lit up things now. We should probably go back through and make sure everything's connected properly. Okay. I don't know where to start with the whole making sure everything's working out well part of this. Okay, so this corner's good. This little bit here, I think, is alright for now. Okay. Don't think this is right. At least it isn't ideal. This bit's confusing. There's a whole lot that can plug in, I just don't know where it can plug into. So that's a slight concern. One that will hopefully be figured out in time. It seems to be going okay though. Don't want to speak too soon on that front, however. There's a lot going on. No, that has to be like that. I think. It's hard to tell. How do I know how stuff's supposed to go? Look, we're taking our time, but that's alright, I think. We should be okay taking our time here. In theory. And you never know. So I seem to do one thing which seems like the right move. Then it kind of screws up other stuff. So I'm not sure what I'm doing, or if it's correct or not. Okay. That's promising. Okay. And we can do that. I'm getting closer, which is all I can ask. I think. Now let's check. All of the lit up areas don't seem to have any issues with them. So it means we're just in this little bit now. Could do that, or could I? I don't know. This has to be contained by other parts though. Would it not require that? I don't know. I do quite like what I already had there. We've done it. Very cool. That's good stuff. So, now I could be wrong. Are there more levels? I don't know. Anyway. Oh, I see there's different dates. And different dates have different levels attached to them. Anyway, we've done one of each though. So, I'm gonna leave that off there for now. That was Pipe Match. If you liked it, like it. If you have any suggestions for other games I should play, leave that in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I'm a skedaddle. See ya.